Cuties. Hi friends, welcome to Cuties. Today we are going to see how to make a paper coaster. Let us do it. For this we will need one paper and then a scissor, a pen's refill and some glue. Now take the paper, open it. Now let us cut this. Now let us take the half of that and cut in the middle. Now the papers will come like this. Now let us take just one paper from this. Keep the pen's refill. If you don't have the pen's refill, you can take a big needle. And just keep it like this and just start rolling it. Now let us roll another paper. And when we come to this corner, we will put some glue on that. And stick it. Now we have made 6 paper rolls out of the paper which we have cut it. Now take just one roll and take the pen's refill. Now heat the pen's refill like this and start to roll the paper. After you get a thick circle, take the pen's nib out and now the roll is ended. Now let us put some glue in the end. And put it on this. And stick it. So now let us leave this to dry. Now let us take another roll. Just press it and put some more glue on it. Now let us stick it with this paper and start rolling this also. Now let us apply some glue here and stick it and leave this to dry for some time. Look how this roll is and how this became. Now let us add some glue paste to this and make this flat and hard. Now let us add some glue to the water and make a small glue paste. Now add the glue paste on this paper coaster which we had made. We are adding glue paste to make this coaster hard so that it won't break. We will leave this to dry for 24 to 48 hours so that this will become nicely hard. we can hang a hook and make it as a earring. This is another way of recycling paper. So from the next video, we will start with another new topic. Until then, I will meet you in another interesting video. Bye bye from Cuties Chutties. Bye.